A real rod?
Yeah. See, his got clearance in it. If you didn't care, you could just use them that way.
Oh shit.
Just broken in. Look at that.
What was that?
That was
Did
broken.
somebody step on a duck?
That's an evil one, you know that, don't you?
Absolutely not. It looks all the same to me.
The evil pins are bigger than shovelhead pins.
What about this knucklehead?
No, it's pretty good, right?
That's good now.
Yeah.
Well, if we cut out your piston to put evil pins in it,
There's a knucklehead one.
you're good to go. That's an evil pin. They're a thou bigger.
This is?
So if you hone out your piston to put oversized pins in them, you'd be good.
Well, which I'm clearly not going to do because
Why?
I'm not going to do it.
Well, you need bushings. Or you have racing fit. Which one you want?
Racing fit.
For me, it's perfect. Run it. I don't care. I go fast. Loose is good. We don't care if it floats a
You're
little
going
bit.
first or last? Is that what I just heard? Oh, you got the good treatment.
I could have been doing your rods, but you didn't rebuild them yet.
Well, what do you mean you're rebuilding right here?
Well, that requires different stuff than this because you didn't do it on time. You waited too long today before you got to it. So you have to wait another 3 months.
Fuck.
You gotta push these wrist pins out, go push new ones in. You gotta come over here, we have to hone the size with your wrist pins that you have to go find in your pistons that you didn't pull out wherever you hit them.
Okay, so I have to take these. Okay, I'll push these
Then
up.
after we do that, then we have to look at the other side. So
Alright.
let me see your rods. Are your races good or are they bad? It appears somebody blasted them so it kind of hides the fact of what they look like.
You blasted him. Let's just be real here.
Yeah.
He blasted his.
That's my new thing, is to just point at your face.
Yeah, it works for me, I don't care. Ooh, look at that bounce around. Oh,
It's in the positive, so that's good.
that goes looser, not tighter, yeah. That's 9/10 out of round, that's a lot. And
The races are bad.
so we might be able to use them, we'll see. Ooh,
Same.
Yep.
Same.
no, these were 2/10 smaller.
2/10 smaller.
Because we were going up to 9 or so, we went to 7.5. Oh, there's 8 right there. 8. Yeah, goes 0 right there. It's 8/10.
Alright, I'll go push these fucking things.
You're only going to run a thou clearance, and you're 8/10 out of round. You know what that means, don't you? At some point, you're going to have interference close. So you only got 2/10 clearance on one side, and then you got 1 on the other.
Ah.
Or you can have 1 on one side and almost 2 on the other.
Gotcha.
Or you could have half a thou and then be negative a half on the other side. That's how Harley likes them. It only matter how big you make these.
Alright, so now I gotta push the bushings out?
The bushings have to be pushed out, put new ones in there. So you have to go find them and then do it.
Well, first I'm gonna push them out. Then, like,
Do you know what the tool is for doing that?
I
Look that way. Where's the tools at?
right up here.
No. Keep coming. Stop. Put your arm out. No. The other one. Yes. Down.
Right here?
Keep going down.
Right here?
Keep going
Shelves,
Shelves?
drawers.
down. Wrong one.
Keep going down.
Other side. Other side.
Other side.
Hey, close that drawer. What are you in that drawer for? You don't open the drawer up? Okay, see it in there? Back, right side, tall, 2-piece tool. No, no, no. Oh, look at that. He found it.
Yeah!
Amazing.
Damn. It's like Dora the Explorer over here.
Hey, I'm not even near. I can tell you where it's at.
Oh shit.
You know why I know where it's at? Because wherever I put it last 15 million times I've used it.
Alright, here, you're gonna have to help me out.
Okay, well, they're over there screwing up the rod set. I'm going to work on this set, okay?
Yay.
Do you mind?
Yes, please.
Okay.
What are we looking at? The lack of hole.
Mario's rod. Look at the lack of. Where's your rod? Give me the crappy Sportster rods over there. Look at that. Look at the difference. Look at the size of that versus that. And look at that make believe. Geez, no wonder there's no oil getting in that motor.
Here's your problem.
Yeah, pretty much.
So you need to make these look more like that one. So you got to go back and do some work. Now you can drill a hole through them, put a round hole, or you can cut them out with a chop saw and make them a little deeper.
Oh yeah, the grind. I'll go in the
Gino
grind.
might be able to help you figure that one out.
All right.
But you can't have Walker's rod, so you're gonna have to go look.
Lack of hole.
You're gonna have Gino look at that real quickly before we work.
All right. Yeah, that.
So you have a lack of hole.
Gino.
See how big the hole is on the pin bush and it goes in the hole?
Yeah, it's huge.
That's how they're supposed to be. Yeah, that was a junk. That was a '79 Harley Davidson rod.
Yeah.
Pile of junk. See, they should have been some good parts like these stupid 52 Sportster rods here.
These are 52s?
Well, that's what the number says on them. But
Nice. So these are decent ones.
the motor was 72, so maybe it's a 72 motor. That's an AMF crap. No wonder it's junk.
AMF? That's crap.
They probably screwed it up.
Fuck yeah, it's crap.
Okay. Alright. Is that my fingernail file you're using? Seems to have a hole in there now. What happened?
You grinded it with the cutoff wheel.
Oh, you cut the rod in half?
Nope.
Oh, okay. It's gonna breathe now. Look at that. Got a big ass hole in there.
Let some freaking oil in there.
Yeah, now you got too much in there though. It's bigger than the damn bushing now. Oh well. Better be a little bit too much, not enough. There's definitely not enough before. Alright, they're filthy. I got my hands all dirty.
Well, I put some.
What do those look like?
Clean.
Oh, you're cleaning parts.
Yep.
Those are nice and clean. I like that.
Beat you to it.
Oh shit, I went too far. There's a hole in there. How'd that happen? Appears to be chamfered from both sides pretty good. Now you gotta make sure when you put this in, you don't put it in there like that. Line the hole up. Unless you don't want no oil. It's only splash lube, so you need all you can get. Excess material, see that?
Oh yeah.
You have a hole in there. You can get some lubrication in there now.
That's right. It's the idea.
That's the idea how to do it. Did you grind these yet to make sure they were good? That appears to be sticking out or just crappy. I need to go grind this. Special tool. It goes back where it goes. Could do some grinding. Brand new disc. We got only used once. A little bit high on the one side. So it's above the surface. Your ground. There you go.
All right.
Might need some light.
No, 126.
Now you can go look at it. Pop the door up and see what's in there.
Ooh, look at that. Fancy.
Are they dry yet?
Yep. They're dry.